to duplicate frame 1 3 times. So here we go, and we're going to place it in the second, third, and fourth box. So I'm going to take frame 1 and make it and pull it on top of the copy frame, which is the X with the plus. Now we have a copy, but it's layered on top of each other. So then we go to, let me just get my numbers. They seem to have disappeared. Oh shoot, hold on a minute. I think it's 300. Yeah, so on the X value, which is right here, where did it go? Oh, here it is. The X value of the copy is going to be 300. Boop, it moved. It's like magic. Then we're going to grab frame 1 again, make another copy, which is now copy 2. And then we're going to enter the X value of 550. Boop, and it moved. And then we go ahead and get frame 1 again, make another copy, which is copy number 3. And this time in the X value, oh, I apologize, I didn't describe it. We should be using the properties panel. So here's a properties panel. If you don't have your properties panel, go window, properties. I'm going to bring it back, and here's a properties panel. Originally it was over here on the right side, but I like to bring it over here on the left side. It helps me visualize and see it a lot better. So excuse me on that. Now we're in frame 1, copy 3, and I'm going to, in the X value, I'm going to put 800. So now we have our frames tool. Our frames are set up and they're in the right spot. Now we need to place our images into the frames. Go ahead and save your file, Command S.